Bonjour mes chers élèves, aujourd'hui notre classe inversée pour troisième année basée sur votre cahier d'activité, puis on va passer à la page 17 votre livre. Today we start our flipped class for grade 3. First, you have to know our objectives for this week. Compter jusqu'à 100, dire son adresse. Our objectives: how can you count until 100? Then how can you tell or say your address? On commence avec les nombres et puis cahier d'activité page 24. We start with revision for numbers until 100. You have to listen and watch the following video and you have to repeat until 100 et chanter en même temps. And you can sing with this video. Ok? Fais attention.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
On commence avec cette page, cahier d'activité page 24, le titre « Tu habites où ?» Tu habites où? Where do you live? First, you have to know numbers. In this activity, your teacher will say the number and you have to show the number, then you can color. First, you can color tens and you can color units. Example, if your teacher say 68, first you show the number, then you can color. Where is the tens? 60. So you color it with which color? Red. Then you can color also the units. In this number, which units? 8. So your teacher says the numbers, you show it, then you can color tens and you can color units. Which color for tens? Red. Which colors for units? Blue. Listen and show the number. 76, 90, 46, 88, 63, 63, 79, 72, 80, 71, 61, 61, 59, 42, 60, 54, 65, 84, 70, ainsi de suite. So on. OK? Activité 2. Choisis le couleur pour chaque résultat et compte. For this activity, you have to find the result in the table down. After that, you make some operation like math. But first, you have to know what about the meaning of minus and plus and multiply and divided by and equal. You find in your right hand up the meaning for each one. Plus in French mean plus. Minus mean moins. Multiply mean multiplier. Divided by, divisé par. Equal, égal. We say it in French again. Plus, moins, multiplier, fois. You can say also fois, mean times. How many times? Divisé par, égal. First, you have example in yellow. You can choose any color for this result. We want to find which operation give this result. 90. 90 mean 90. Which color? We choose the yellow. If you make some operations in the table down, you find 92 moins 2 égale 90. When you make this operation, 92 minus 2 equal 90. Okay? So, I give to you example. Deuxième, second one. 80. 80 mean what? 80. We choose this color for this operation. Find in the table down all operations give the same result 80, 80. Like what? Search with me. 8 multiplier 10 égale 80. Another way you can say 8 10 fois égale 80. Find another operation to give this result. Like what? 32 plus 38 égale 80. What else? 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 égale 80. Like what also? 20 multiplié 4 or 20 4 fois égale 80. What else? 40 multiplié 2 or 40 2 fois égale 80. What else? 1 multiplié 80 égale 80. Also, last operation gives the same result. 45 plus 35 égale 80. Another one, last example, I want to say this number 70. Mean what 70 in English? 70. I want to find all operation give the same result 70. We choose any color like red color example. Find down the operation give the same result. Like what? Search with me by order. Oui, you find this operation. 20 plus 30 plus 20 égale 70 and so on. You can find all kind of operation alone. Just for revise numbers. Tu habites où? Livre page 17. What about our new lesson? The title is Tu habites où? Where do you live? In this lesson, you have to tell your address. Describe your address. We start with lexique, un petit lexique juste pour comprendre votre professeur en classe. Vocab to help you to understand your teacher en classe. Little vocab, une adresse, une ville, un pays, une rue, un quartier, une place, une enveloppe, une lettre, habiter, aller, voyager, en, a, o. Puis, vous avez une dictée pour cette nouvelle leçon. You have a dictation. In this dictation, j'habite au 13 rue Oulaya à Riyad en Arabie Saoudite. You can use before 13 this proposition or you can leave it. You can say it or leave it. Again, j'habite au 13 rue Oulaya à Riyad en Arabie Saoudite. This is our dictation for this week. Activité, votre livre, page 17. Your textbook, page 17, you find this lesson. First activity with the title, Tu habites où? Where do you live? You will listen and find and show the number, just to revise the numbers. So, in the class, you listen and find the number that you listen. Example.
Leçon 5. Tu habites où?
Activité 1. Observe, écoute et montre. 60 plus 9 égale 69. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 égale 80. 60 plus 10 égale 70. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 égale 80 plus 10 égale 90. 60 plus 19 égale 79. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 9 égale 89. 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 19 égale 80 plus 19 égale 99.
Deuxième activité, écoute et montre. You find envelope where you find address. You find the address and you listen, then find what you listen. You listen the address and find which one you listen according to what you read, according to the number of street or the address. After that you listen, you find the good address. Okay? Example.
Activité 2. Écoute et montre. 1,
Tu habites où, Jojo?
J'habite au 70 rue des Jardins.
2,
Quelle est ton adresse, Marie?
81, avenue des 4 Saisons.
Maintenant de la grammaire. Little grammar. Préposition avec les pays et les villes. How can you use some preposition with cities and countries? We have some prepositions that you can use with cities and countries. First preposition is a. When can you use it? With all kind of city. Like what? A Riyadh, a Paris, Riyadh or Paris city. So you can say before a, mean at or in. Exception, enough to know in grade 3 this exception. Au Caire. Instead of saying a, you say with Caire, Cairo, au Caire. Exception. So a, you can use it with cities. Deuxième, en, mean in or at. When can you use it? With country, féminin. Féminin mean end by e, end by e. Like what? En Arabie Saoudite, en Egypte, en France, en Syrie. You find all kind of these countries end by e. Use it for these countries. Troisième, o. When can you use it? With be, masculin. Country without e in the end, masculin. Like what? Au Japon, au Liban, au Maroc, au Portugal. Exception, au Mexique. Enough to know in grade 3 this exception only. Au Mexique. Au pays, plurial, you can use O end by X. For which kind of country? End by S. Example, aux États-Unis, end by S, mean United States. Aux Émirats, end by S. After that you understand, appliquer. Complète avec la préposition convenable. A, O, on, O. J'habite France. En France, because end by E, féminin. Tu habites Paris. À Paris, because city. Il habite Maroc. Au Maroc, parce que c'est pays masculin. Elle habite aux Émirats parce que c'est pluriel. Acte de communication. After that you have some vocab and sentence in dictation. You can make mini dialogue to dire, pour dire ton adresse, to say your address. Tu habites où? J'habite au 13 rue Oulaya à Riyad en Arabie Saoudite. Quelle est ton adresse? C'est 13 rue Oulaya à Riyad en Arabie Saoudite. Merci, à la prochaine.